I'm going to use the G chord and just play this pattern. And you'll notice that there are 2 bars, and this is using common time, and common time is basically just 4 beats in a bar. So instead of just being 1, 2, 3, 4, where every strum is on the beat, we're now going to bring upstrokes. Okay, the upstrokes give us the kind of like the and. So if you look at that first one there, it goes something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just going to play 3 chords, G, C and D, using that pattern. 1, 2, 3,